Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some spyder lights. These have the stock ones, but these lights are not going on this car. It's going to go on that car.
I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Alright, so these are the older discontinued smoked spyder lights I have on this car, which I'll take these off, put the new ones on this car, and put those on that G8 over there. So let's see how they look. Alright, so that's all I have. Paperwork, don't need that. Nice, look at these. The white caps. It's gonna look good on the white car. Not that one, but the one over there. So man, it's gonna look good. Alright, so I noticed on these, looks like you don't need no extra harnesses. They actually had them on the lights now, compared to the old discontinued spyder lights. Everybody kept probably tossing them away, but they kept getting stuck to this deal. So now that Spyder got tired of all the people complaining, they actually left them on the lights itself, so makes them easier not to lose them. But man, they look good. This one's already out of the paper, so alright, let's go ahead and install them. Alright, so we got to remove these little tabs. There's 2 per side. That one's missing, so we're going to take these off. Remove these. Guess you just push up. I guess I didn't have to do it on this side. With that side, I will have to do it on that side. So we got, I think, 310s. It'll be easy to take these housings off. And I'll go over there, take those off, put those over there on this car, and put those on that car. Pretty easy. Just loosen them and do the rest with your hand. Voila. Tail lights are trash, man. So, nah, let's keep them for backup in case something happens to the LED. They're still good, so no trash. But there's that car. I'm going to go ahead and take that side off, then I'll move on to that car over there. Alright, so these are off. These are the smoked Spyder discontinued lights. I love them, they're badass. But I want the new ones and put those on there. So. Should look good. Alright, so the harness is already attached from the old ones. So that one's on. Looks better. Actually, it's the same as that car, so. But alright, let me put this on real quick. Alright, so this one's done. It actually looks pretty good. Clean them up a little. Glass cleaner from what is this from? Chemical Guys. There it is. She looks good. Needs a wash now. So her GAGT looks better with those lights. And now the fun part, the new spyders on my car. And I was wrong. You need connectors that doesn't come with it. Shit. Whoop. I was looking for this connector. I found it. It's actually the original ones off the tail light. Oops. So lay that there. Let me install this on this tail light and put it on the car. Alright, so the lights are installed but not working. All I gotta do is just flip this side over. And bam, they're on. Yeah, well, I had the light out. And WD-40 right here, since I dipped the car. And this is the hard stuff, so WD-40 actually takes dip off pretty clean. Like nothing, just hit it with the rag. Cleans it right off. Let me show you. Hit it right here. So let me clean these light spots and then I'll get some after pictures on the lights. Alright, so there it is, guys. The new Spyder lights, sequential turn signals. Yeah, I can't see that on the camera. There you go, right there. So badass. Come on, Spyder, sponsor me. Just kidding. I'm not even famous yet. Or will I be? But man, she looks good. And these are the, like I said, these are the discontinued ones. Smoked lens from Spyder. And there it is, guys. Badass Spyder lights. Definitely a must on these cars, especially the LED lights that I have in there. But other than that, they're nice. Alright, so this is her car. We got the Camaro wheels, paint to match front end, and of course we got the Camaro wheels, Holden spoiler, an Australian spoiler on top. Alright, so he looks pretty good. Alright, so I'm gonna go get an oil change on this thing and probably do a roof wrap in the future, the next video probably. Carbon fiber 7D, so stay tuned on that on the channel and I'll watch the roof wrap.
Take your wives, might just do it. Sipping Hennessy, a dirty Sprite. Doing 180 down the turnpike. She on her cell phone, I'm filling up her thighs. What you like? What you like? Look, sick of these niggas. Get rid of these niggas. Can't write their own verse. What's wrong with these niggas? Take a flick. Look like I caught a lick.